Have you ever passed through a car lot in Ghana and you have you ever passed through a car lot in Ghana and you ask yourself, how do these people make profits? How do they make money? Let's say a Toyota Corolla going for 350,000 Ghana cedis, and did someone just ship that car from US and slap that price on it? No. Or yes. Well, on Rev by Rev, I'm going to break down every step exactly how Ghanaian car dealers make profit. From the auction to sales, trust me, at the end of this video, you'll see car dealing in a whole new light. Most car dealers in Ghana buy cars from US, China, Japan, and Canada. Sometimes Dubai or even, yes, mostly they use auction cars like Copart or IA to buy cars. And sometimes they have sourcing agents out there in the Asian countries like Japan, Dubai. You need to get a sourcing agent to source out good cars for you and get the best deal for you. So let's use real life example. A 2018 Corolla going for $5,000 on auction website, or a sourcing agent find one for you, and now the price is usually 5,000 when this car is around repossessed car, insurance sold car, or even some minor damages are on these cars. So that's how you can get a car at a price of $5,000. But here's the trick: most car dealers don't buy one car and ship it down to Africa or Ghana. It will give you a lot of cost with no reason. So they buy cars in badges. They let the sourcing agent source out good cars for them, like badges of 4 cars or 6 cars. The much they can fit into one container or even more, to cut the cost of you shipping just one car in one container. Sometimes they use roll, which is roll on roll off, to speed up their shipping. And yes, after buying this car, you are going to ship it down to Africa. And shipping is the next cost. You are going to pay around 1,200 to 1,500 on each car. Most cars are going to take like 4 to 6 weeks maximum to arrive in Ghana. And some dealers share container to actually cut cost, because if you are going to ship 2 cars, you don't have to pay for the whole container. You share with someone who also put 2 cars in it, and then you guys cut a cost. And yes, some people use roll on roll off, as I said earlier. And when you ship the car to Ghana, the next one is the real cost. The real money goes in here, the clearing. Now, let me tell you, clearing a car in Ghana will cost you around 20,000 to 80,000 Ghana cedi, depending on the car, the engine side, the value of the car, and even the port sometimes. And that includes charges like VAT, NHI or ECOWAS levy, some small levy that will add up to like 20 to 80,000 Ghana cedi. Imagine paying all this money and then you lost your car. I mean, someone stole your car. You can be driving through some dangerous neighborhood and then you lost your car to some bad people, or maybe sometimes with the slightest mistake you can lose your car at the mall or something. But let me introduce to my sponsor of the day, which is TrackEase. TrackEase actually helps you to track anything mobility. I mean, your car, your motorbikes, your bicycle, anything that you want to track and get a live location all the time. TrackEase is the best thing to go for right now, and they are my sponsors for the day. And I'm telling you that when you want to guarantee the safety of your vehicle anytime, TrackEase is the best. Let me tell you one thing: aside the necessity of you having insurance on your car, you should also get a tracking device that can give you live location all the time. You know what? Take this and thank me later. Even if Ghana police have to get involved in getting your car back, this will be a great use to them. As a car dealer, one of the things you have to get in mind is you have to have good connection in these places. Good connection at the port, where your car will be handled for you carefully, and also documentation will be run for you, and people who know people can actually help you cut cost, and it will help you in not wasting time at the port to actually pay for demurrage, or even you pay more than you should pay for, because yes, you cannot know everything. But if you get a clearing agent, they can help you out, cut cost. Now, that's the good connection you have to work out before starting a car dealership. And when the car arrives in Ghana, or it is clear out, it's in your location, your house, some of the costs you can bear again is you detailing the car. I mean, some of the cars are very dirty. You have to clean up, detail very well to get it a showroom car. I mean, some of them have small dents. Some of them are even have to work on the small engine part or minor damages that comes with the car from the country of origin. Right now, when you get all this thing done, after spending all this money, here is where you make money from. You selling the car. And if you are going to sell this car, let's do the math. You bought a car for $5,000, which will cost you around 57,000 Ghana cedis, and then you pay for shipping, which is $1,200, and that will cost you around 16,000 Ghana cedi, and then you pay for clearing, which is the duty, that will cost you around 30,000 Ghana cedis, and then you also pay for detailing or some minor money damages that were fixed on the car, which will cost you another 10,000 to 15,000 Ghana cedis. And at the end of the day, you are going to spend a total of 115 or 120,000 Ghana cedis as the total investment on this car, right? Just one car, yes. Now, as a dealer, you are going to slap 160,000 to 200,000 Ghana cedis on this Toyota Corolla. 160,000 to 200,000 as the sales price, right? So after bargaining and everything, you are not going to get below 160,000 on Toyota 2018 Toyota Corolla, right? So after that, let's look at the margin. You are going to make like 45,000 to 50,000 Ghana cedis as the profit margin on this beautiful Toyota Corolla that you have just bought from US. And now imagine this: you sold 4 or 5 cars of this type in a month, which is 45,000 Ghana cedi profit. 4 times or 5,000, 5 times in a month. That's a big money. That's a serious money to change your life. So next time you saw a car dealer smiling at the back of their wheels, or having the girls around them, or chilling at the party, paying without thinking twice, that's the strategy they use. They actually know good connection, good sourcing agents, and they know the business where they can cut costs. And also, yes, basically that's the strategy. And also, you have to know how to make good sales, like sell more cars. That's one of the difficult side of it. I'll give you that in my next video. Yes, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and also leave it in the comment section below any car business you want me to break down next. Until next time, I am Rev, and this is Rev by Rev, where I bring you the car business in Ghana. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.